AI is bigger than tech. It's about how you live, think, and thrive. Here are 5 decisions to welcome AI opportunities on NPTV.AI.
First, choose to learn with AI. Stay curious, get answers faster, and master new skills. Learn today, lead tomorrow. Second, choose to save time with AI. Automate daily busy work so you can focus on what matters. Save time, live better. Third, choose to solve problems with AI. Think deeper, spot patterns early, and make confident choices. Smart thinking, strong impact. Fourth, choose to help people with AI. Combine empathy with technology to support others and make a difference. Help others, change lives. Fifth, choose to create your future. Turn ideas into action. Dream big. And download your free 10-way guide at peoplehelp.ai today.